A quick 5-minute workout routine that you can do that's gonna make you feel good, boost your mood, get you warmed up so you can beat the winter blues. I'm just using a set of 6-pound dumbbells. You can do this without dumbbells or whatever you have. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, 5 minutes total. And we're starting out with just a march in place. As you can see, I'm still just like in my sweats. You can do this in whatever kind of clothes you already have on. You don't have to change your clothes if you don't want to because it's so cold. You can also pick up the pace and kind of jog in place or just march in place if you want to keep it low impact. So each of these exercises we're just doing for 30 seconds a piece, 10 exercises, and we're going to move on to the next one, which is arm circles. So you can do these one at a time or together. For the first 15 seconds, we'll go forward. This feels so good on my shoulders. And then go ahead and reverse it. Take them back. Oh, I can already feel like I'm getting a little bit warm. All right, next up is squats. So your lower body muscles, like your glutes and your quads, they're the biggest muscles in your body. So when you warm those up, it's gonna warm up your whole body really fast. It's gonna pump blood to those big muscles and it's gonna warm you up. So when you're doing squats, make sure you keep your weight in your heels and really squeeze your booty on the way up. Next, we are doing shoulder presses. Go ahead and grab your weights, bring them up to your shoulders like this, and you're just going up. And I like to exhale on the hard parts. Shoulder presses always kick my butt and make me feel really warm. That's enough of those. All right, next up, just need one dumbbell and we're gonna do some chops. So, start your dumbbell up here, holding on with 2 hands, and then squat down and get that torso twist in there. This is working our arms, our lower body as we squat, and our abs as we twist. All right, now switch sides. Like I said, turn some music on, and that'll feel real good. I'll make this go by so fast. Okay, next up, bicep curls. So grab your other weight again and just do that bicep curl. Make sure your elbows are locked in at the sides. And what I like to do on bicep curls, really think about your bicep. Like picture it just popping and so lean and strong. And then you really feel it in your bicep. Okay. Now, we're gonna do deadlifts. So I'm gonna keep my weights here and I'm gonna bend over and bring them up. Now you're using your glutes to pull yourself back up. So really keep your back flat and think about your glutes squeezing as you pull up. And kind of tuck your butt under and you'll feel it in your abs too. All right. 1 minute left. So we're already cooling down. So I'm just gonna do some shoulder rolls. Rolling them back. We're just cooling down now. So you can kind of freestyle it for these last couple seconds. Roll them forward. I'm like sweating. All right. And just some simple toe touches. So just bend over, kind of roll side to side. Stretch out those hamstrings. Drop your neck. Feel that stretch in your low back and in your neck. Slowly roll up.
Activity completed.
All done, you guys. Maybe just put your neck side to side. 5 minutes. You're done. Feeling good.